gotta leave your old ways behind, 'cause they hold you back from being fully alive. And all your worries and your pride are like a trap for your soul. You gotta move them aside and reside in the light. I said abide in the vine. I don't hesitate no more. I won't wait no more. I don't hesitate no more. I'm fully in my zone. I don't hesitate no more. I won't wait no more. I don't hesitate no more. I'm fully in my zone. Ooh, yeah. Trust me when I say I know what it's like. Clouds hovering around your mind. Hard to know what is left, what is right. But you gotta realize your power and might in your life when you abide in the vine. I don't hesitate no more. I won't wait no more. I don't hesitate no more. I'm fully in my zone. I don't hesitate no more. I won't wait no more. I don't hesitate no more. I'm fully in my zone.
What does it take to be connected to the vine? It's understanding that he's calling us to die. A life fully surrendered is the way we were designed, to receive the biggest treasure, to forever be alive. I ask you, Lord, to change the pattern of my mind. Give me the strength to seek your will over mine. Jesus, you're the only way, the truth and the life. In you I will be made, and in you I will abide.